Hello friends, today I am reviewing the great books on birding that is name is Birds of the Indian Subcontinent. It covers the most of the species of the birds found in Indian subcontinent, that is India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Maldives. Authors are Richard Grimmett, Carol Inskipp, Tim Inskipp. The book's first edition was published in 1998 and it's a second edition book. It is published on 28 December 2011. Book contains more than 1315 species and covers the more than 220 color plates. The book dimension is 21.6 into 14 into 2.8 centimeter. Book length is 480 and this was added containing 506 pages. Weight is about nearly 1 kilogram, approx 939 grams. In the detailed reviewing, we can go in depth by these color plates. Gives more illustration and we can identify the other species. Book is highly detailed with tables, maps and text. At last they had provided the appendix 1 and 2 containing vagrants and doubtful species, so we can easily identify the other species of the Indian birds. So final verdict is the good book for birding or bird photography.